How's it going? Welcome to Chester. Today we're trying out a new audio. We're trying external audio. Let me know what you think compared to the other videos. I'm squinting a bit because it's a gorgeous sunny day, and this is what they call a pocket garden. Somewhere to chill for 5. We're heading for those walls across there, and we'll see what we can find. So we're about to go up onto the walls, and we'll just have a quick look before we go up. Look at this place. It's gorgeous. It says here North Gate access, so there's the North Gate. Let's access it. And we come around the corner. Up we go. It's not too bad. There's a handrail. They're only small steps, quite manageable, but there seems to be a lot of them. So if you're a fatty like me, you might want to bear that in mind. And like that, we're up on the walls. See Chester, see the mountains over there. Plenty of green for a city centre, so we'll go around the walls and we'll show you a few bits and bobs as we go around. This is the King Charles Tower, a historic lookout and meeting place, one of the most iconic towers on the city walls. And if we look up there, according to the place, 1615. A nice sturdy door there. We'll have a look round. Windows there. I don't know what that is, but let's have a closer look. God bless selfie sticks, eh? So, onwards we go again. There's some stairs here we can go up. Apparently King Charles stood on this tower September 24th, 1645, and saw his army defeated on Roten Moor. So this is the cathedral. This is the Cheshire Regiment Garden of Remembrance. How big is this thing? It's huge. So let's move on and see if we can go inside and look at some of the stained glass. Well, we're going to go into the cathedral now. So we've masked up and we'll see what we can find. There's some interesting stained glass, I'm sure. In we go. So we've come in now. You have to give your details at the door for the track and trace, and they do provide the hand gel. Wear a mask. I don't know if it's compulsory, but I'm not an asshole, so I wear one. So let's go and have a look at some of the stained glass. And this one has the logo, I am alive forevermore. Absolutely beautiful. a representation of the Last Supper. And as you can see up there, plenty of organ pipes. More organ pipes over there. I imagine they can bang out a good old loud tune when they want to. The sheer work that's gone into these carvings really is incredible. I can't imagine the man hours involved. And of course there's a lovely prayer along the bottom. I believe in God the Father Almighty, maker of heaven and earth, and in Jesus Christ, his only Son, our Lord. Okay, so that's the cathedral, and now we're going to go and look at the clock tower. You see the clock tower there, and we'll walk up here and have a closer look. Oh look, there's a new look there. So we'll just make our way along, still following the walls. There's some fantastic looking architecture in this city. There's lots of really interesting little buildings. And we're just coming up on the clock now. Isn't it beautiful? Here we go.
And that's probably since 1980.
These buildings are absolutely gorgeous. This is the first time we visited Chester, and something tells me it won't be the last. It's a real mix of old and new. Okay, so that's our little quick tour of the walls of Chester. I hope you enjoyed them, and let me know any feedback on this new way of doing the audio as a separate external. As you see, I've had to wear a couple of mics. I call these dead mice on them. They're normally called dead cats, but they're so tiny I call them dead mice. But that's the end of this video. I'll see you on the next Tranny Travels, and have coffee. Bye!